SPLLF, LOT, British Airlines. Again, it's got that kind of rattly noise to it, that one. Time is 4:42 and 29 seconds.